fucking up this day too.
God, are you okay? Are you okay? It looks like you were struggling there for a second. You gonna fart some more?
Yes. He's like, I just might.
You got poopy pants.
You got poopy? Poopy pants. Why
Did you flush the toilet? Go flush the toilet.
Oh, no.
Yes.
Oh.
Please, go flush the toilet.
Oh, could you not step on me, please?
Andre, you gotta go flush the toilet.
Andre, go flush the toilet, please. Thank you. I'm not flushing the toilet.
Yeah, you are. Or I'm taking this.
No.
Go flush it and you can get it back.
No.
Nope, then it's mine.
Go. It's not yours. Get hurt.
Go flush the toilet.
No, what?
You have to.
Sasha Martin.
His name's Andre.
I mean.
Melina. Way off.
Oh.
You're not getting it back until you flush the toilet.
Let me see it. Andre,
nope.
Go flush the toilet or it's bedtime. Are you serious? 12 times in the last like 12 minutes.
Oh my god, he's pathetic.
Look at me. No. Please? No. Are you going to flush the toilet?
Alright. Okay, bye McQueen.
Don't say bye McQueen.
Then flush the toilet or I'm throwing it out the window.
No, we can't.
Yep.
No.
I'm going to count to 10. Go flush the toilet.
Please.
1,
I think we asked him to go
2.
rob a bank.
I'm throwing it out the window.
Then please go flush the toilet.
Flush the toilet, please. Okay, bye McQueen. Opening the window. Then go flush. Hurry, hurry, go flush. Hurry. Hurry, hurry. Things we do for Lightning McQueen, huh? Okay. Shit, he just fell in there. What happened? What happened? Here. Here. Are you okay? Are you okay? Here, buddy. There you go. You're okay. Go see Nana. Come on, I'll help you. Come here. Come on. It's okay. Got it? Get your toy. Thank you for flushing the toilet. Go see Nana. She wants to see you.
Why are you so upset? Come here, please, or it's going to be time for bed.